Hey, Paul Fidenich here with the VIP Home Team. I want to welcome you to an extraordinary adventure at this spectacular 73-acre horse farm. Imagine galloping on a 5/8 mile racetrack surrounded by the beauty of nature. It's not just a farm, it's a racer's paradise. With 3 massive barns housing 84 stalls, your equine friends will live in luxury. Dream of living here? Well, feast your eyes on the 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2,700 square foot home, a perfect blend of comfort and workspace. And this tree-lined driveway, it's like a gateway to tranquility, welcoming you to a world of serene beauty. Nestled in the heart of horse country, just a trot away from the Ocala Hit Center and the New World Equestrian Center. Craving more? Click the link below for a breathtaking drone tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more exciting tours, and we'll catch you on the next one. Call us today for your private tour at 407-744-1681. Again, that's 407-744-1681. Hope to talk to you soon.